Hello and welcome back to Medieval Dynasty. I want to work on some lighting for our streets. Logs, leather, sticks, and wool thread. Had to go buy some wool thread. Can we not rotate? Oh, Q and E rotates. I'm gonna get this in here straight. That's fairly straight. Right? Straight west. See how much light this will give us. Not enough resources. The other logs. Open one at each opening in the fence. Hopefully that would be enough. I don't remember how bright they are. Here we're going to have to do something a little different. Because there's only one gate here. I don't know if I'd put one in each corner.
One day, I will outrun my shadow.
Good luck. Not enough resources. What are we missing? Sticks. Sticks are easy. Why is it stuck there? There. Well, that'll be close enough. Oh, it's on already. They don't look very bright. Well, we'll find out when it gets dark. I don't... Just out of curiosity. Nope, you can't stick them between here. You can put one here. And here, which way is that facing? In the middle. Could do one like that. Why is there a red one there? You are dirty. Who put that one? It's crooked. That's terrible. That's right. Put up your dukes. Get out of here, you crooked. Now we need a log and 2 thread. Oh, well. Have to wait till it gets dark. Let's drop this other stuff off.
The best ones are always taken.
It's kind of hazy though too. It doesn't really help. They can have the copper axe. The 1 log. The leather will keep. Sticks they can have. Wool thread will keep. Do we have wool? We have sheep. We have shears. We have wool. Is that wool we've collected, or is that wool that these guys have collected? I don't know if I made this so that they collect sheep or collect wool or not. Nope. What's it, 50-50? That's all you get. You get 0.3 of a bucket of milk every day. We'll just put this to 100. We'll take the goat one off. It's not worth the tiny bit we're going to get. No point in that. $7.5 wool a day. Yeah, these don't have any tasks they can do. Feathers and eggs. Oh yeah, it's over here now. Wool thread would unlock that. And let's save that in here with the leather, 90 leather. Save the wool. Oh, no room. Oh, we'll put it in the... Need a light in there. We'll put it in the storage. We were almost full. I built another storage. Somebody had suggested putting it by Piastovia, so that's what I had done. Because we were out of room. I need to go through this and start selling a bunch of things that don't need to be in here, that we're not going to use. In spring or winter, we're going to sell these bags. We only got 10 buckets. 206 clay vials, I don't think is quite necessary. Technology. We want... Where's the herbalist? Right here. Herbalist hut. Potion of instant healing. No, it's only one. Purchase that. The boar fur rug is in here. I only want the healing ones. What does this one do? Restores a certain amount of health over time. I need 2,500. We got 2362.6. I want this one. Not enough technology. Need more survival. And we need another 270-ish for the apiary. These things. Also harbor trellis. Simple trellis. Dovecote, scarecrow. No skills. It's not really dark yet, but smooching underneath the light. Winter is coming. Must be a prophet. And we got moths. Oh, they give a little light. What's going on over there? They would almost need one, like another one right here. But we can't do anything. We don't have any wool. Well, not enough wool thread. Maybe one or two. next season. Oh my god, she was right. Winter is coming.
Wish you were better. My favorite times of the year
So
are
what-
the parties.
So
between
we can't get, we can unlock this now.
People are invited to those.
Who are you and what do you want? Fireballs don't make much, neither do those. I don't think any of these do really make much for light.
My favorite activity.
Log and
No
plank
doubt
6.
every marriage was built on love, but this
Bell
is about
post. Make a cart. Scarecrow. Log, stick, linen thread, linen fabric, and leather.
I believe it's not a matter of good or bad. If I were to say what I value the most in life, I would say people.
Clay and stone.
The right man in the
Low
wrong
stone,
place can make
round stone.
all the difference in the world.
I had a dream in which we all had green diamonds above our heads and we were talking gibberish.
Get this one. This one. No, we're out of money. Spent all our money.
Everything is perfect.
Well, it's another season. Let's go. And we'll sell some more things.
I definitely belong here.
We can make some more bags. Going in circles. There's the Weissant back. We have to go to the towns and see if we can find some people.
I'm at third.
It looks better with the lampposts, even if they don't make much light.
Where are all the good men gone?
Yeah, I think that's better. We better get... I want our bow. If I have to deal with bandits, I want the bow because it shoots a lot faster. Keep an eye out for camps. Nobody at the bridge. There's our resource storage. Let me take more bags. Still got some room. Beer bottle. Bronze arrows. Start selling things we don't need or don't need so many of. Clay vial. That leaves us 50. Copper tools is for the people. That is a lot of fertilizer and feathers. A spare longbow. Let's take this load to town. We need one person for the woodshed. We can only take one female, or else we have to start building new houses.
Is there any weightlifting competition I don't know about?
That's possible. It could be. Well, she's the only one that's good for the woodshed.
Sometimes you get a feeling that the locals frown upon.
Those are full. Hunting. Well, I don't really need another hunting. I think we're good for farmers, good for husbandry. Sewing hut, we don't need anybody in there. But I want to make market stalls, and he's got a 3,
And water and some
and
firewood.
he's got a 3, and I'm pretty sure that's what you need for market stalls is diplomacy.
Greetings.
20 or 1266 she's got. And you can take some beer bottle. How about some clay vials? They're not worth much. 0.6, but. And do you have anything I want? I want a saddle. Right, I want a saddle. To equip and craft a tailor's table used for saddling a mount. So yes, we want a saddle. Adds 30 kg carry weight. Is there just the one saddlebag? Small saddlebag we don't want. Is there a large saddlebag? 45 kg. We want that.
Do you need anything?
Oh, I guess we can sell some more. Let's get rid of the rest of those. Get rid of the mead bottles. Rye beer. Simple large backpacks. I wonder if there's going to be another one. I haven't seen anything better yet. No, we only have
Good luck.
2,000.
Oh, it's you again.
Oh, don't sound so happy. Iron horseshoes will take one. One is a set, not just one out of 4 feet. I think that's all she has for horse things.
My wares, take care.
Hail, friend.
Let's take all the wool thread. That's, oops, wool fabric. Bought the wrong thing. That was bad. Oh no, wool thread. I got the right thing, didn't I? Wool thread, yeah. I looked here and I thought, what? Wool fabric. 3280. Roasted meat's only at 50%. We got lots. Goodbye.
Only the best. Goodbye.
New level of diplomacy. See what else we can sell. I have to start making things out of bronze soon. Fertilizer's worth 3. We have a lot of fur. We can make clothes out of that and get more money. We'll keep the limestone in case we have to build a few more houses. Simple shoes can go. We don't need 200 and some stone knives. Wine bottles. An insane amount of wooden bowls. And wooden shovels. So let's... Horseshoes. Saddlebag. Saddle. That's a stolen wine bottle. Wool thread. Oh, we'll take it. I don't think we'll let us sell it. Let's try. Then we have to solve whatever those 14 issues are on the top left. 13. Something to do with tools. Production. The smithy. Stone knife. Wooden shovel are a bit excessive. We're out of linen thread. And stone axe out of sticks. I'll just leave it like that. The rest seem to be doing good. Extraction. Woodshed. There's 2 people in the woodshed. He gets 156 sticks and he still runs out? It's crazy. Let's go down with that. I'll go up with this. So with diplomacy, do we got some skill? Gain more knowledge. We already got the better prices. Lower demand for food, wood, and water. That'd be okay. Lower taxes would be good. Let's get more diplomacy knowledge. And then hopefully we can get to the next level quicker.
Have you ever wondered what a world without kings would look like? Nah, I'm sure it's fine.
How is life treating you?
Okay, you're
The
down to
price is
40.
so low. See you around.
Told me that in the south, people ride on horses.
How do you do?
with two large hunt.
Get rid of the arrows. Simple shoes, go. Wine bottle. Can't sell that. Stone knife.
Want to see my wares? See you around.
Wonder why living in
Can sell more later. But let's go home and see what we're gonna do for a market square. We'll put the market stalls here just outside of town. First, get rid of you. And then I want to make, we'll have to get rid of this stump. Everything's built by these things, so let's make sure everything's in a straight line. Do we want this far out? Don't wreck my fence. Let's see how many we can fit in here. It's a service. We've got a builder's hut too we can make. Straight north. Obstacles are obstructing. Leave some space between the fence. Yeah, that looks straight so far. A little bit closer than this too, but and we could put get rid of that. this side. Somebody just left logs laying around. And look straight east. So, is this tree going to be in our way? Oh, we get pretty close. There's room for one more. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3. Oh, we don't even have a stone foundation for these. Logs and planks. The rye is growing. Probably have enough grain we don't need to grow any for a few years. If I remember correctly, these things also take linen fabric. Have to make some straight lines here. Fix our road. And 8 linen fabric. Well, rather than run back, let's just deforest this place again. That's it for sticks, or for logs. So now we're going to need planks and logs. 4 logs and 8 planks. But counter there. And linen thread. Or linen fabric, not linen thread. What, 48, I think, is the right amount. And we want 4 logs. Was it? Oh no, 8 planks. And we have to build more housing. Because each one of these takes 1, so that's 6 more people. We need 1 more house, maybe. Could put it right here, I guess. And those people can make sure they work here. So they're close to home. Oh, I needed planks for that one over there too. I thought this one was done. 8 more planks. And 4 logs that I, for some reason, didn't bring. I'll be right back with 8 planks. Construction complete. Okay, so selling. Trading, goods trading unassigned. I'll have to put somebody there first, I guess. And we also need to build the, what's it called? Builder's hut. How big is it? Well, that's a decent size. Put it over here by the herbalist. And we need 8 stones. It's just pick stones. there's lots here. Four logs. I wonder what the roof is going to be made of. Straw or planks? Probably straw, would be my guess. Wicker sides. Let's take that many logs. Only one stick. They can never keep up with sticks. And no straw left. Did I use it all up making animal feed? Perfect amount of sticks. 1, 2, 3 logs and 10 straw. Complete. Now we need to assign somebody to that. I think that's the end of the video. Got quite a bit done. 6 market stalls in this built, plus sold some stuff. Did some lighting. I'd like to thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.